This is my first attempt at making xiaolong bao. The 101.
欢迎光临，是我小贝。Okay, guys, on our adventures here in Taiwan today, we are doing something pretty special. Mother, would you like to tell us what we're doing?
Sure, so I'm really excited. First, I've got my shopping bag and we're gonna do some shopping.
Yes.
Then we're gonna do some cooking. And then we're gonna do some eating.
Yes.
So fun.
It's just like the 3 best things you can do in your life, right?
It's a cooking class that you set up for me and I'm so excited.
So this is your 4th time coming to Taiwan. She's done so many things, but one of which has never made Taiwanese food. So I actually signed up for a really cool cooking class. You'll be able to see a lot of it. And I'm going to be the judge to see how good my mom makes the food. Also, in the comments below, you're gonna have to tell us what you think about the food she makes. So I'm pretty excited, pretty excited. And yes, she's got the traditional bag. This is nice. So we're right now in the morning market. We're gonna be buying all the stuff we need to get, and we're gonna head back to the kitchen, and then we get to cook. Okay, guys. So let's go check out the morning market. Maybe we can find some fun things, and then we'll get going.
Good for your eyes. Is it spicy?
One looks the best to you right there. I'm looking at that pineapple.
What is this right here?
That, my mother, that is a dragon fruit. We're gonna have to try it next week. How about that?
We don't have these at home, do we?
We do not. Inside they are beautifully purple. We're gonna try it later, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Terry,
Wax out.
have you ever seen a pig's foot before?
I haven't. Very nice.
Come here.
I mean, I've seen it attached to the pig.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness! Oh. This poor pig!
And just look at the meat. Oh, we got a heart. We got a heart. Meat look good.
No, no.
Breakfast!
A banana! Okay, Mom, this looks fabulous. Want to tell them what's going on right now then?
Well, we just went to the market, brought back the food, and now I've got my apron on from CookInn.
Looks fabulous.
And we're gonna start cooking.
You've been abroad to many places. Where have you cooked before?
I've done a cooking class in Mexico on the beach, and you and I did a cooking class in China.
Yes. Now you and Terry get the chance to make Taiwanese food.
Which I know nothing about, so it is gonna be fun.
Yes, now, I looked at the menu. They are going to be making xiaolong bao and some noodles. So, pretty excited. What we're going to do is
Xiaolong bao?
Xiaolong bao. And once it's done, Mom, I am going to be super excited to try it out.
Then when you come back home,
Yes.
someday, I can make you xiaolong bao.
Yes, perfect. Okay, well, let's get cooking. I'm excited to see what this is. Once again, we are right now in CookInn. It's this really fun place. I filmed in here a long time ago when I was making a video for the Board of Education, and they invited us back. It's a fun place, so you get the experience of making Taiwanese
It's gonna
food.
be fun.
Oh, yes,
Terry.
we're excited.
We are making the filling for the dumplings, so I'm putting the salt in with the pork.
Hey, Mom, so what's going on right now?
I am being a chef.
You were the chef, and what are we making right now then?
We're making beef noodles.
Beef noodles. I'm excited to try them.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna stir fry the spices. Okay.
Ooh, fancy little spices.
Yeah.
You are definitely a pro Taiwan chef.
It is gonna be quite spicy.
Wow.
Yeah, okay.
Mom, what was that?
Yeah, good mom.
That is bubbles.
So, Mom, you want to show us the Taiwan way to smash a cucumber?
Okay, I just learned this. Think of somebody you're mad at.
Just super mad.
Is that right? Take the knife.
It's really scary.
There you go. Hey, yeah.
Oh, just like that. Smashed.
Logan moving to Taiwan, so I can't see him.
Shake your booty.
Personal part. Just like professional. I just did one with 32 pleats.
Wow, 32. That's a ton. I've got like 5. My mom's, this is your 7th?
Yeah.
So I never knew these were such a hassle. So what we've got is we've got 小笼包, 牛肉面, 珍珠鲜奶, and we've got some other stuff. So we're going to start cooking it, and then I guess it's time to eat.
I don't know how to use chopsticks. Let's see, I'll try.
You've got this. Okay, maybe.
Look at that.
No, it's not spicy.
Okay.
Well, it has a little bit of a kick.
That meat is really tender.
It's really good. And I do like it, actually.
What are you doing, Mom? It is now time to have 小笼包. Okay, so Terry made a super beautiful 小笼包. 3, 2, 1.
How's that sauce? Is it like soy sauce?
Incredible. You are a master Taiwan chef.
This is my first attempt at making xiaolongbao.
I did a really good job.
38, Mom. Just look at that.
It might have soy sauce in it.
My one's all broke.
Mom.
That had a lot of juice inside. That's now all down my arm. It's really good. I did a good job.
This is my mom's first time making Taiwanese food. Pretty fun. This is called CookInn. It's this really awesome restaurant where you can come down here. Oh yeah, you have this. And it's right here in Taipei, and you can come learn how to cook this food. You actually go to the market. Great experience. I'll put all the links and everything down below. If you guys are traveling, definitely check this out. It's a fun idea I had that I thought my mom would like. Terry, how was the cooking experience?
It was wonderful. Very
Yes.
fun.
And I thought the food you made was fantastic.
Just fantastic.
So,
Almost as good as mine.
fantastic. Yes. So we're going to wrap this up now. We're going to finish eating, and then we're going to take them to 101. There's a Christmas festival there. I'll see you guys there. Okay, guys, we are at the next stop. Mom, what's going on right now?
Well, show them, Terry. We just got done with our cooking class. It was so much fun. They gave us these little books with our pictures on, all of our recipes. It was awesome. Plus, we got to eat the food.
Oh, the food was great.
It was amazing. Really good.
So I did want to point out, this is not a paid advertisement for CookInn. We just liked it so much, and my mom hopes you guys can have the opportunity to make food. So do check all that out. But Mom, what are we going to do right now?
See that building behind us?
Wait, where? Where? Do you want to point to it?
The one up in the clouds?
Right there?
To 101.
101! Terry, do you know why it's called 101?
I have no idea.
Just take a guess. All the floors.
Oh, 101 floors.
101 floors.
I guess.
Which it looks like lots of the floors up there are covered by fog. It's a mystical day, and I heard there's a big Christmas festival around here. Okay, well, let's go over there, and we'll take you guys with us. Okay guys, we are back in Ximending. I found a store, it's new here, where they make these little cream puffs. Super excited, let's try it out. Incredibly creamy. Mom, what happened?
Your creamy cream puff.
Oh, man, you got creamed by the cream puff, okay. Well, we're gonna see what else is here, and then it's actually almost time to go back to Changhua City, so you can see the house and see Mr. Kai. So let's see what else this place has, and then we'll get going. Okay, we are now ready to leave Ximending, but that also means Mom has to say goodbye to her favorite store here. Goodbye, Ice Galaxy.
We'll see you in Taiwan next time I come.
So good. Okay. Okay, guys, it is now time to head. We're going to hit the Gaotie, go all the way down back to Changhua, and I'll just see you guys there. Okay, Mom, we have finally arrived at the MiJiang house.
Yes.
The most anticipated time has come.
Front door, I hear somebody. Hi, Betty.
Whoa!
Oh, come see Grandma.
Oh, Kai!
Oh, say hi, Daddy.
Hi, it's Grandma. No? Oh, okay. Well, real quick, I'm going to help get the luggage in. I'll give Mom a tour of the office, and that's where we'll talk with you. Okay, Mom, number one, welcome to the MiJiang Hotel.
Thank you.
Are you ready to enter into the MiJiang Studios?
I have been waiting.
Here we go, Mom. Here we go. This. Okay, first of all, real quick. You always have to hug the MiJiang when you come in. There you go. Hug the MiJiang. And then, let me give you a tour
Okay.
We've got the couch. This is my live stream area. Okay. Pretty good, right?
Right.
Then you can stand up, go to the green screen. Looking great. Those are my big lights if I need to. And then this is where I work.
This is your MiJiang t-shirt.
Oh yeah, right there. You should buy one, huh, Mom?
You gave me one.
Oh, okay, that's right, huh?
All your camera equipment.
And just where I sit.
And this is where all the magic happens with Logan and YouTube.
Right. Okay, so for this video, we're going to end it now. We had a fun day.
We had a busy day. You wore me out again.
Mom, what was your favorite part about today?
My favorite part about today was the cooking class.
Oh,
it was
that was
awesome.
so much fun.
It was really fun.
And
it was
Terry?
good food.
I am gonna say the morning market and the cooking class.
Okay, well, I thought today was a blast. Once again, for the cooking class.
Hold on. This was my favorite part of the day. This is my favorite part of the day.
Oh, Mr. No Hair, Mr. Kai. Okay, well, today was a ton of fun. Once again, for the cooking class, all the information is down below. We got a lot more adventures with them. They left the office. It's just me in here right now. Super glad I can take you guys with the traveling with my mom and I. And I think you guys all know the drill. You gotta subscribe, like the video, share the video, and I think you all know the phrase. Quietly, 米浆万岁.